I try to get as much sleep as I can, but my husband, I use that term loosely, buyer's remorse. Listen. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna leave him like I have time to shave my legs for somebody else. I'm stuck. Whatever. It's fine. I'm fine. It'll do. I told him, I go, look, I had a 10-pound baby. You broke it. You bought it. I'm not. He snores, right? So for some reason, I take it personally. I feel like when he snores, he's doing it like it's a personal attack, like he's trying to break my spirit. Like Chinese water torture, you know, drip, 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 but instead it's just I don't even think he's asleep half the time. I think he's like, his eyes are halfway closed and he's like and he has different types of snores. Some of them are like an 84 Chevy, you know, just like he's flooding the engine. And then other times he sounds like a sick elephant. Or it's not even just a snore, it's more just like a what end is that coming out of?